Mr. Rubber Strong! I love it, but you're a sick fuck, bro.
Let's see what we got here today at the 7-Eleven. We're gonna get some pre-workout. C4, Zip. Another one of these. Can't go wrong with some Jolly Rancher C4. And this put together is gonna be a good ass pump. All right, so we're gonna drive to Strong and Shape. We just got done at 7-Eleven, picked up a little pre-workout snack. You guys are gonna fuck with it. You'll see what it's about. Lifting with Scala today. Check out some of these clips of him right here.
Bitch, I'd rather die!
It's fucking crazy. It's gonna be a good lift. Pretty locked in right now, a little tired. We're gonna sip on this energy drink, wake the fuck up, and we're gonna make some metal dance today. Insane Lab Psychotic. Oh shit.
You never fucked with this before?
No, I never had that.
No?
Yeah.
This shit take your brain to the moon. This that shit, my boy.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie, this it. This that
Give me a little.
Sure.
This is 350.
Hold on, let me get my scoop.
This is Birdman right
Yes.
here. Tell him where you from.
From East Orange, man. I'm just a guy who get to it. That's it.
There
I
you
ain't
go.
nothing special to it. I'm just a guy who get to it, man.
There you go.
Banging with my dog Gentle, man. You know what it is.
I'm about to show you what we do in there. We'll probably start off with some dumbbells and then go into maybe a fly with some cables. We'll see what happens. We're just gonna get to business. I'll show you guys how to move the 200s around. We'll show you how to move the 175s around today.
Up
PR for him, but we'll show you how to hit some chest the right way. None of this science-based lifting shit. Pick up some dumbbells. We move them from point A to point B, and that's it.
I don't know what he got in store. I'm sure y'all know already because this is channel. This boy is insane. Love lifting with him though. I do.
I don't warm up my shoulders with like 2.5 or something. I didn't train that shit.
Me either. Shout out to my little brother, man. Kyle Lewis, salutes, man. Proud of you, my boy.
All right, we'll start with like 30. You want to run? Lead it? 30 first.
Cool with it. Whatever.
All right,
You the leader, bro. I'm just, you know what I'm saying? I'm just here today. I'm here to get some good work today.
Here we go. You're nice and loose.
What you listening to today?
Oh, I don't even know. I gotta put these on. Maybe some Barbie Dream Girl.
Heavy shit to
Barbie.
Barbie.
Someone said that in the Instagram. They're like, imagine if he was listening to like My Barbie World or some shit. I gotta throw up the fucking 315 clip. Check that shit out.
How long do you think it's gonna take you before you dumbbell press these?
I mean, right now I'm probably at like 215 to 220s. I could probably get right now.
Comfortable.
Not comfortable, but like I could probably get 215s for a couple. So 250s probably in like 2 years. In like a year and a half, you know? Yeah.
That's tough.
I mean,
You're a sick, bro.
Yeah.
I just want you to know that. I love it, but you're a sick fuck, bro. I love it, though.
I chase the adrenaline.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah.
Clearly.
It goes adrenaline for
Yeah.
the first exercise.
Yeah.
Like here.
Yeah.
And then we go into the
Then
pump
we get
after.
to the work.
Then we get to the pump. Yeah.
Bet.
No, some Slipknot. There you go, right here. Shut it. There you go.
It's real still, too, by the way. None of that rubber ducky. It's crazy. Literally jumping from 105 to 150. It's insane, so.
To kill for you, too sordid to die with you. Unstable as always, calm down. Everything else is just dust and sound.
Shout out to Pegasus. Y'all need to get with my boy
What's in there,
Gentle.
blood?
You might as well say.
Looks
Yo, this
like
shit,
fucking blood.
bro.
Yo, show him what it looks like. Jiggle it.
Hit the second one.
If they're good, it feels like getting punched in the nose.
Bro, that's exactly what it felt like, bro. Like somebody just rocked my shit. I was so up after that. How many reps you going for?
8 to 10. We got fucking Limp Bizkit break stuff on right now. Oh yeah.
Just one of those days when you know everybody sucks. You don't really know why, but you wanna justify ripping someone's head off. No human contact, and if you interact, your life is on contract. Your best bet is to stay away, motherfucker. It's just one of those days.
Now y'all heard me ask him how many was he gonna do before that set. He said 8 to 10. You just did 12, bro.
It was? That was 12?
Like, what are you just like rhythm moving?
That was 12?
Are you like rhythm moving?
That was 12 reps?
That's what I'm trying to figure out. Are you rhythm moving at
I
this?
counted 8.
Can we rewind the tape right now?
That was 8.
Bro, that was 12 reps, bro.
Do you want to see?
Huh?
You want to see?
Yeah.
Here we go. Yo, this is my boy right here. Joe.
How we doing?
You about to see him get busy too. He's gonna warm up and then he's gonna hit a few sets. You'll see.
I think you better quit, let shit slip, or you can leave it with a bad lip. It's all about the he said, she said bullshit.
Come on. Let's go. Hey,
Talking that shit.
So I gotta count myself. You know that. Come on now.
I feel like shit.
Yeah. Let's go. Hey, go.
There you go. Wait.
Let's go. Come on. Wait, wait. Good. Come on now. There you go. Wait. Come on.
Treated like shit. All those motherfuckers
Like butter.
wanna step up.
Oh yeah.
175 low today. 175 low today.
And if my day keeps going this way, I just might break something tonight.
He's shifting.
Yeah. Angel with that.
The meaning of pain, the way that all options to die. Slow down, immense decay. Showers that cleanse you of your life. Full sin, like how you rock. Step down, your life work. Give advice for the angel of death. 400,000 more to die. Angel of death. To the kingdom of the dead. Sedition, destruction of demise. Satan is the noblest blood. Destroy without mercy to benefit the Aryan race. Surgery with no anesthesia. Fertilization intention. But there's no use to that cat. Step down screaming out the death.
That's all you want. All you want.
Angel of death.
Mr. Run the Dog!
Monitor to the kingdom of the dead. Infamous.
That's what you are, baby.
Angel of death.
Oh, shit!
Yo, those salts are so strong, I still smell them. It's bleeding. We killed them.
You might have to try the 200s.
Shit, bro. That shit felt so light coming back. Shout out to my fucking boy. I told you what was gonna happen.
You gonna get him here.
Oh!
Here we go.
He told me yesterday, put under my post, them 175s going up. God damn it, they going up. Oh, shit. don't know where the fuck I just went. Hey, what the fuck just happened, bro?
I don't know.
Nah, that was tough. That was tough.
What the fuck was that, bro? I just lost my shit.
I don't like thinking about it.
Come on. Another PR down. Another PR down. You gotta go somewhere you've never been, bro. And when I say that, I mean take yourself to a mental fucking brink and start punching that bitch. For real, bro.
I'm gonna push it.
Set yourself for a low bar. Man, pick the fucking weight up, man. One at a time.
Oh! Bring that! Get in, fucking shit! Come on, bring him in! Come on! Run! Get it!
Watch your tongue or have it cut from your head. Save your life by keeping whispers unsaid. Children on the streets now, weapons of war. Bodies hanging in the streets to adore. Oil flames will come up pounding chaos, bringing daylight to the night. Death is riding into town with armor.
It's gonna be a never-ending dumbbell day. We're gonna be on dumbbells for 2 hours, and I don't give a fuck. So fucking close.
That was higher than the last one, too.
That was higher.
You got a little more.
You just never know what's in your tank until you get up under some shit. Hitting the 175s today was a fucking. I think that's what I maxed out to.
Yeah.
I never got the 200s off my chest. I just got that shit up in the air, almost for a solid one.
Can't say never now.
Now I can't say never.
I got it. Go. Come on.
Sunday you have to do
Next fucking Sunday, I'm hitting them.
Sunday you have to do it.
Next Sunday. Next Sunday.
And
I'm running that shit back.
200s for you.
Right
Sunday.
fucking here.
No, but like if you think about it, barely anybody in this world can get this weight up, especially this one. And then there's that one. That one right there. There's the reason why there's a name after this one.
And the thing is, these are fucking the same size as those.
So ready, watch what's gonna happen. It's gonna say Ron on top, Gentile on the bottom.
No, I want to make the Gentile 275s.
Well, y'all seen me hit the 175s the first time. I'm going for it again.
All right, so we're gonna hop into the incline hammer strength. Me personally, I like to drop the seat all the way down, put the emphasis on the upper chest, because if you go more in the middle, you're gonna be pressing more like the middle chest. We just hit flat, which hits the middle, so we're gonna hit the upper chest here, drop the seat all the way down. This is how you build the show.
No, he said he could do it. Put it on. No, put it on. Since you're gonna be fucking grown, I want all 10 too.
Let's go. You gotta die on. Don't die.
Don't touch it. Exactly. Won't you listen, man? Nobody here to try to hurt you, bro. He forgot what the fuck he really just did. You insane, bro. But I love it. I can train with you any day. You fucking society, bro.
We gotta go to a Planet Fitness.
Oh man, they gonna kick
Yo,
us
you
out.
guys will get kicked out in 10 seconds.
10, give it about 4 minutes.
They're gonna see him walk through the door and be like, no. No.
You know what's gonna happen? They're gonna put us in a commercial. What not to do. What not to do.
Let's face $20 million lawsuit for disturbing the peace.
I tell you, bro.
It's the only thing that slowly stops the ache. But it's made of all the things I have to take. Jesus never ends, it works its way inside. If the pain goes on, collapse, I've waited as my time's elapsed. Now all I do is live with so much fate. I've wished for this, I've bitched at that. I've left behind this little fact: you cannot kill what you did not create. I've gotta say what I've gotta say, and then I swear I'll go away. But I can't promise you'll enjoy the noise. I guess I'll save the best for last. My future seems like one big past. You're left with me cause you left me no choice. I push my fingers into my eyes. It's the only thing that slowly stops me. If the pain goes on, I'm not gonna make it.
Fuck. I'm cooked.
Tell me the reality is better than the dream, but I found out the hard way. Nothing is what it seems. I push my fingers into my eyes. It's the only thing that slowly stops me. But it's made of all the things I have to take. Jesus never ends, it works its way inside. If the pain goes on, I'm not gonna make it. All I've got is insane. 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 I push my fingers into my eyes. It's the only thing that slowly stops me. But it's made of all the things I have to take. Jesus never ends, it works its way inside. If the pain goes on, I'm not gonna make it.
Like my chest about to pop. What the world?
All I've got is insane. All I've got is insane. All I've got is insane. All I've got is insane.
My boy got reflection.
Alright guys, that wraps up the chest day with Scala. I appreciate all you guys for watching. I did not end up getting the 225s, but we're going to get them eventually. We're going to see a special guest coming in the next one. Subscribe, like, comment your favorite part. Maybe what videos you want to see next. I appreciate all of you. Peace out.